Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum Science, Grade 3 Quarter 1, Lesson 3, Day 1. Our topic for today is about observing as a science process skill. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. The learners describe different science process skills used in performing simple science activities, such as observing, predicting, and measuring units such as millimeter, centimeter, and meter. Learning objectives. To describe observing as a science process skill. Let's start our lesson with 4 picks, 1 word. Look at the 4 pictures. What one word connects all of them? Write your answer in the box. First pictures. Answer: senses. Senses. Second pictures. Answer: objects. Objects. Third pictures. Answer: events. Events. Fourth pictures. Answer: equipment. Equipment. Fifth pictures. Answer: activities. Activities. What are common to the objects, natural events, science equipment, and science activities? All of these are observable and senses are used to observe these things. What sense or senses did you use to come up with the correct answer? What are you doing when you are using your senses? What skill is used in performing simple science activities? Gently shake the glass and identify the smell of the object in the glass. Instruct them to never taste the object in the glass. You should at least give 5 observations. Here are the possible answers. Number 1, the object inside the glass is colorless. Number 2, the glass is transparent. Number 3, the object inside the glass is odorless. Number 4, the glass has a flower design. Number 5, the bottom of the glass is flat. Representatives from each group will guess the terms being described by their group mates. Each will pick a flashcard containing a term with corresponding illustration. Your group mates must describe the term without using the exact words, allowing the representatives to identify it. Here are the words: science, science. Scientist, scientist. Learners, learners. Skills, skills. Process, process. Science. Science is a subject that helps you communicate, think, and solve problems better. A scientist is a person who is an expert in science. A learner is a person who is getting knowledge or new skills. Skills are the abilities to do something. These are developed through practice. Process. Process is a series of steps done to make something happen. How is observing done? Let's have an activity. How is observing done? You will perform activity number 1. How is observing done? To gather more information and be able to answer the question based on evidence. Materials needed: small candle, match, jar, a bottle of fruit juice, 5 slices of different fruits, bell, a container with hot or cold water. What to do? Number 1, pay close attention to what your teacher demonstrates in Station 1. Then, answer the following questions. A. What happened to the lead candle when covered with a jar? Answer: the flame is extinguished or goes out. B. Which sense or senses did you use to answer question A? Answer: sense of sight. Number 2. Go to your respective stations and do the assigned task. The following are the station setups and guide questions. Station number 2. Hold the bottle close to your nose. Then, cup your hand over the container opening and fan towards your face, as shown in the picture. Question: how do you describe the smell? Answer: it smells like orange or apple. This depends on the kind of fruit juice. Station 3. Press the button. How do you describe the sound? Answer: it sounds like a bell. Station 4. Get a piece of the fruit. How does it taste? Answer: it tastes sweet or sour. This depends on the kind of fruit. Station 5. Hold the container. Is it hot or cold? Answer: it is hot or cold, depending on what is inside the container. Number 3, within the time allotted by your teacher, answer the questions at each station. Write your answers in the table below. Note: Station 1 will be answered as a class. Number 4, complete the table by checking the senses used in answering the questions per station. Here's the table. First column, station number 1 to 5. Then, answers to questions. Next, we have senses, sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. Number 5, to answer the questions at each station, you must use one of the basic science process skills, observing. Based on this activity, how would you describe observing? Answer: in observing, we use our senses to gather information about an object, event, or situation. Okay, kids, let's play a fun game called I Can Sense It. Here's how we play. I will point to a group and your group will take turns describing something you see in the classroom. It could be a chair, a book, a bag, anything. But here's the twist. You have to use your 5 senses. Eyes, what does it look like? Ears, what sound does it make, if any? Nose, what does it smell like, if it has a smell? Hands, what does it feel like? Tongue, and if it's safe to eat, what does it taste like? Each group will take turns. We'll keep playing until all groups give their answers correctly. Don't worry, if it gets tricky, I'll help guide you so we can come up with great descriptions together. Ready? Let's start sensing. How were you able to describe those things? What happens when you give wrong observations? For example, saying that the candle continues to be lit even though it is covered with a jar. Understanding the possible answers. Number 1, you used your senses to gather information about those things. Number 2, this can sometimes lead to misleading information and result in wrong conclusions. Observing is the most basic science skill, and to do it well, we need to use our five senses. Focus on small details and write down what we notice. It helps us understand things better and prepares us for more exciting science skills like testing and experimenting. That's why it's important to observe correctly, just like real scientists do. How is observing done? Answer: through the use of senses: sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. The skill of observing can be done. Is observing helpful to our daily lives? Answer: yes. By observing, we can gather information about objects, events, activities, situations, and about the world around us. What is the importance of doing a correct observation? Can we do observation using only one sense? Yes or no? And why? Fill in the blanks using the following terms: information, observe, observing, senses, and sight. Let's answer. The most basic science process skill is observing. We use it in our daily lives, and it is important in applying more complex science process skills. When we observe, we use our senses. Among these are the sense of hearing, touch, smell, sight, and taste. Through this skill, we can gather information from around us. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.